Chicken Cacciatore is a delicious, hearty dish that is perfect for family dinners or entertaining guests. Chicken Cacciatore, also known as hunter's chicken, is a classic Italian dish that is hearty, flavorful, and perfect for any occasion. It's easy to make and can be served over pasta, rice, or with crusty bread for sopping up all that delicious sauce. A recipe for classic Chicken Cacciatore can be found at therustypan.com. There is a link to the recipe in the description below. To make this dish, here's what you'll need. 4 chicken thighs, 4 chicken drumsticks, or you can just go with 8 of one or the other. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 can of diced tomatoes, a half a cup of chicken broth, a half a cup of dry red wine, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, a tablespoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley. For instructions on how to make this dish, click the link in the notes below. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and happy cooking.